What's the meaning of Bahai? Bahai. Bahai.
Bahai. Bahai. The Baha'i faith is an Abrahamic religion that originated in 19th-century Persia. Its followers believe that there is only one God who has manifested himself throughout history through various prophets, such as Abraham, Moses, Buddha, Jesus, and Muhammad. The religion emphasizes the unity of humanity, the importance of peaceful coexistence, and the elimination of prejudice and inequality. Baha'is believe that the ultimate purpose of human existence is to develop spiritual qualities and contribute to the betterment of society. The Baha'i community is known for its commitment to social justice, education, and interfaith dialogue. The religion has spread to become a global movement with followers from diverse backgrounds and cultures.